Hello everyone, my name is Yusma. I just cleared my PLAB-2 exam, and if you're in the process of preparing for PLAB-2, I know that the most frequently asked question is which academy should you join? And after getting my result, I can confidently say that joining PLAB Guide was the best decision I ever made. From day one, they teach you a structure-based approach. They don't make you cram anything, no scripts at all. So due to that reason, you're not stressed like other people I've noticed from other academies. They're quite stressed. So because you're not memorizing anything, everyone has a unique style, and it really helps on the day of the exam because it helps you stand out from all the other candidates. And their SimMan, their weekly SimMan class, it's a game changer. And the best thing is that they also have accommodation in the same building. So it gives you a 24-hour access to the academy, to all the mannequins and equipment. You can come down and practice at any moment. And the whole environment is very friendly and it's very accommodating. All the examiners, all the teachers, they give you a supervised practice sort of sessions. And if they notice that someone is struggling, they also offer one-on-one sessions, which is great, I think. And their mock, they are really good because they give you a voice feedback after every station, and you can also listen to your own performance, so you can evaluate yourself and you can see what changes you need to make. So if you're also you're thinking which academy should you join, I recommend that you join PLAB Guide. And lastly, I would like to thank everyone at the academy, all the colleagues who were there, everyone who taught me the foundation course, the smart course, everyone, and the examiners, and best of luck.